Welcome to Soul for Space. Remember, our content is purely educational, aiming to empower you with knowledge. But your financial decisions are your responsibility. Imagine owning something precious, valuable. Now, imagine it's not physical, but digital. Digital ownership, at its core, is about asserting rights over digital assets. It's the concept of having definitive, exclusive control over these assets. In the past, ownership was dictated by centralized authorities. Today, blockchain technology is rewriting the rules, decentralizing power, and enabling true ownership. One key player in digital ownership is the NFT, or non-fungible token. Think of it as a digital certificate of authenticity, unique and unaltered. Digital ownership allows you to buy, sell, or trade digital assets. Assets like digital art, music, virtual real estate, and more. And in spaces like the metaverse, digital ownership takes on a new dimension, shaping experiences, economies, and opportunities. Digital ownership isn't just about owning something in the cloud. It can hold real-world value, influence, and significance. Understanding digital ownership. It's about embracing a future where the lines between the physical and digital are blurred. It's about reimagining what it means to own